Okay, hello guys. So I'm very excited to be doing this video today. I got a very fun package. I got my FabFitFun box. I bought this with my own money. Everybody has a code on the face of the planet, so I used somebody's code. I'm not sure whose, but yes. So let's open it and I can tell you what I think. So let's do it. Okay, so I really haven't even opened it at all yet, so I'm gonna open it right up. Got my handy dandy scissors. I'm so excited. Okay, first off, I feel like everybody posts about these, and I was like, this was the first box where I'm like, that's kind of sick, because now you can like choose items, like you can choose like from some items, which like I kind of appreciate, because sometimes like there's things where you're like, oh, like I'm really never gonna use that. But anyways, I want to get into this. I'm so effing excited. So here it is, and then there's there's everything. Let me actually flip it around so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Just not top, I'm not gonna open anything up yet, but like look how cute the packaging is. It comes with this fun magazine, and then everything is just like really nicely packaged, and like they even have their own wrapping paper or like tissue paper. That's so cool. Okay, I'm gonna sneeze. Oh no. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go through the items. So yes, so there's the first thing is this magazine, which like honestly I feel like would be kind of a little fun like toilet read, you know, just something to have while you're going potty. And then we have a $50 HelloFresh gift card. I will for sure never be using this because I'm not into stuff like that. Now I'm gonna get into the real items. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. Okay, so this is one of the things that I chose, and it is this robe. It's like one of the Show Me Your Moo Moo. Well, Show Me Your Moo Moo is the brand. Let's just open it. I'm too effing excited. So it's a really nice like material. I just thought this is so cute, and I always wear a robe when I get out of the shower. It's one size, and yeah, it's just this really pretty material or pattern. Cute. I like that. And that was one of the things that I chose. Okay. I don't honestly know what else I chose. I do not even remember. Okay, now we have this little friend. This is the Champagne Charcoal Scrub. Okay, fun. There's so many things happening. Okay. So yeah. It's the, I think, Mana Kadar is the brand. I'm not sure, but that's exciting. Now we have measuring spoons. Cute. They're little, I'll take them out. And so I use measuring spoons every day, so this will be handy. This is like really cute. Maybe I won't let my parents use this one. Oh, cute. Look at them. That is so cute. So there's 1/4 tablespoon, 1/2, oh wait, teaspoon. Teaspoon. 1/2 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, and 1 tablespoon. And they're like this like rosy kind of coppery color. Cute. I love that. I'm here for that. Okay, next thing. Ooh. Ooh. What is this? A little... Oh, well, I'm sure there's something that probably tells me this information, huh? Would it say inside this? Oh. I want to know, like, the price of things. Oh, okay. So the Robe, $84 is the value for that, friend. The measuring spoons is $15. Oh, it's a necklace. Oh, I'm so excited about that. $30 for the necklace. Yeah, I think that's all we've... Oh, and then the scrub is $24. So that's exciting. And like these are things that I will actually use, so that's why I'm like excited about it. But this is really cute. Like this is for sure up my alley. It's like this little teeny bar, but then it's like sparkly and like white on the inside. So it's like so cute. I love that. Okay, cool. Cool. The next thing is this Dr. Brandt Eye Depuffing Gel. This is $42. That's a lot of money. I don't think I don't know. It's a big bottle for an eye cream. Cool. I'll use it now that I have it. And now, oh, I think I chose these also. Sunglasses. I am excited if I could ever get them out. So they come in this little bag. Cool. Fancy. And it like pops open like this. Cool. Oh, I hope they look good on my face. I'm scared about that. Okay, so these are the Key Australia Vivienne, and these are $60. I mean, those are like pretty cute. I'm gonna be honest, I don't think I have any like real plain aviators. All my sunglasses are like green or like pink, and I'm just like, I could really go for just a plain pair of glasses, but these are like pretty cute. Okay, yeah, definitely here for it. Cool. That's like real fun. And yeah, these are $60. I forget if I said that. It was like 2 seconds ago. And we have 2 more items. I'm getting sad because this has been really exciting for me. I actually have tried this before. Oh, no, not this. I've had the sea salt spray from this brand, and this is, I think it's pronounced Way. leave-in conditioner. This is like up my alley. Like, I like stuff like this. So, and I can't remember, but it's like a celebrity hairstylist that started this brand. So that's exciting. I like leave-in conditioner. I like to because this is my hair. Actually, no, not even. So, oh my god, my hair looks crazy. Look at that. What? Okay, first of all, my hair is stick straight, and there's one singular little curl thing. Look at the rest of my whole head. Like, that, this is just disrespectful. And this is even like curly for my hair because I took a nap with it in a bun. So yes. Okay, now on to the last item. Wait, did I say this is $26? I probably am saying everything twice. Whatever. And then this is a daily, a daily detox massaging brush. What is this? $18. Okay. Trying to open it. Oh, I have my scissors. Good thing I was prepared. Okay, well, it says, whoa. Oh my god, I just dropped it. This is what it looks like. You know what it reminds me of is, you know those mats, those like welcome mats that people have outside their house? That is what this feels like. This will really get the dead skin off though. So it's like that welcome mat material, and then just like rubber. So how do you use this? All over your body. Huh. Do not leave in the shower. Okay. Wow. Okay. So just a little scrubby brush. Cool. So I guess I'll use that. I mean, my skin is, I guess, kind of dry. So I think that is all in my little cute box. And there's a bunch of this shit in here. So I'm gonna put all my garbage in the box. But this was cool and this was like really fun to do. I would say if you like see a box come out that interests you and you see things, because you can order it after the box has come out. Like, I ordered it well after it came out. So yeah, I mean, I would say if you see something and you're like, oh, I really like that, and like I would actually use that, or like even if, because this one has a face wash that I like in it, I didn't get it, but like the Tula Purifying Face Cleanser, this one, that's like $26, and I love that face cleanser, so I was like hoping that I could get that one. I didn't, but whatever. But it's like if there's things in it that you're like, oh, I want that, then just get it, and then you could cancel it like the next month or whatever. I mean, I think I might wait till then, or not next month, because this is what, quarterly? Yeah. So this is the spring box, so I might wait until the summer box and see if I like it and see if it's worth like the full price. because it's like, I think it's $49.99 per quarter. And then I'll see if it's worth it, because this one I got $10 off. If you Google, or if you on YouTube, if you look up like FabFitFun unboxing or whatever for that quarter, like for spring or whatever, you can always almost find a code from. So it was only $39.99 rather than $49.99, which, like, I think $40 for all this is a good deal. But yeah, so I'd say the things that I'm most excited about are probably the robe and the sunglasses. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If I do decide to get another box, then I will do another video opening my box, because I know there's so many sponsored FabFitFun videos out there, so it's just kind of good to see like somebody who's not sponsored and has like an ugly weird curl in her hair and just a very normal person. So yes, okay, well, please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and be sure to let me know what other types of videos that you would like to see. I'm sorry that this video is kind of low energy, but I just woke up from a nap. So please subscribe to my channel, and yes, I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.